What you gonna?
Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tobia Case, and if you are returning, welcome back. It is me. Whenever I come with a bare face in my videos, I don't even know what this video is called. I have no idea, but for today's video I will be doing a makeup roulette. Yeah, that's it. Random numbers choose my makeup routine challenge. So basically what I've done is I've written down my makeup steps and how I do my makeup in order, and I numbered them. But then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to have to re-download that random number generator, and then we're going to wait until it creates a new randomly generated list for me to do my makeup in that order. I might have to be doing my lips first, I might have to do my eyes first, I might have to do my contour first, and then go in with concealer. But yeah, it's gonna be interesting. Before we get into this video and before I explain more, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up already. Please make sure you comment down below with a heart emoji or any type of emoji just to make sure that you guys are watching. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel, and please make sure to turn on your post notifications so that you are notified whenever I post a new video. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm quickly going to list all of the ways and all of the steps in which I do my makeup, because I feel like if I was to read it out it would be way too long. Instead of wasting time and waiting for the numbers to be generated, we're just gonna get into it. Minimum 1, maximum 13, and let's go. It says shake to randomize, so wow. And the thing is, I knew this would happen. I knew they would make me start off with the last thing, which is setting spray. I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Superfix Super Hold Misting Spray, which is another setting spray that I do use. I'm lucky I'm not doing this on a day that I'm going out or anything. I'm just doing this to do this, okay? Just gonna wait for this to dry and then we will read the next one. We have 13, let's shake. 9, I don't even know what 9 is. Powder contour. Usually when I do powder contour, that's after my baking powders. So I'll be taking the Revolution Pro Matte Foundation. Every single item will be linked down below. Half a bit off. And I'm just gonna use it like I would use it, so in the places that I would bronze. And I better make it worthwhile because this is the last time I'm using this. I make like a 3. I don't even think it did anything like that. If you guys can see a difference, let me know, but I don't see a difference. But I'm gonna make it worth my while because this is the last time I can use this product. Okay, I think that's all I'm gonna do just in case. Yeah, no difference yet. I don't see it. We're gonna keep going and yeah, we'll see. We're gonna shake again. Has powder contour and setting spray gone. 6. That is powder. I don't know how I'm going to tie this look in now. I don't know what's going on anymore. How am I supposed to make that work? So I'm supposed to just use my baking powder on my face right now. So I'm just gonna take my powder beauty blender. Yeah, it's a bit messy, but that's what gives you the best makeup. I'm just gonna do what I normally do with it. I'm gonna have to wait for this to set and then take it off like I normally would. I need a mirror. Might think this looks crazy, and that's because it does. I don't know where we're going from here. If I'm being completely honest, I know that this, you know what, I'm gonna be optimistic and I'm gonna think this can actually go somewhere. Because it might. You never know. I'll be back with you when this has been brushed out a bit. Guys, I'm scared. Because what is this? You know what it is? I feel like the setting spray just made everything stick. Let's just pick the next thing. 5. Okay, original. Okay, we could fix the nose at least, because 5 is contour nose. I go in with the same powder that I used for my powder contour, and I just contour my nose.
Can't even drink Cristal on this one.
Usually I'd blend this out, but I'm a bit scared because I don't know what's coming next. We're just gonna move on to the next one. 1. Eyebrows. Okay, we are getting somewhere. I'm just going to take my 3 things. I'm going to fast forward through this because you guys have seen this literally so many times before. I will just be using the same things that I always use. Chestnut for an LA Girl Pro Concealer, a random eyebrow pencil. It's so funny because it feels like we're getting somewhere because my eyebrows are done. But then I remember I might have to ruin all of this. I mean, I will eventually because I have to put on foundation and there's no possible way of me getting any sort of highlighting, well, my highlighter, but any sort of just brightening in and contouring in the right places because all of the contour's gone. So basically the base was for nothing, maybe. I don't know what God has in store for me. So from 1 we have 11. I don't know what that is. Lips. It's like they want me to look ridiculous. I don't even know if I'm looking ridiculous to you guys right now, but I'm just gonna wipe off the excess on my lips. I'll be using a lot of stuff, to be fair. If you want the combination, I'm gonna put it down below. Let's get into my lips. The thing is, I know this look would be cute if I had everything else on. My lips always make the look, which is why I know I look scrumptious and would be looking extra scrumptious if everything was done properly. So the next one is 3. Have I done 3? I don't think so. We're just gonna do 2, knock out 2 at the same time because why not? Because foundation is just foundation, you guys know how that is. 3 and 3, 7. Have we done 7? We have not. Eyelashes. I'll start on my foundation and eyelashes. I don't know which ones I'll be going for. Let's see how she looks in the end.
Your bitch wanna party with a savage. Signing my savage and ass. High-end cars and fashion. I don't eat pussy, I'm fat. I'm a blood, my brother crippin'. Bitch, I'm drippin', how you trippin'? Talk to waitress, I ain't tippin'. I like hot sauce on my chip.
Be right back. I'm not even gonna lie to you, this look is slowly coming together. It actually looks okay. I don't know, this eye stitch, I don't know what's going on here. It looks kind of good. We're gonna keep going. 8. I don't think we've done 8. Oh, 8 is like eyeliner, eyeshadow. Okay. 5. I think we've had 5. Yep, the nose contour. 11. I think we've had 11. Yep, my lips. 2. Concealer. Okay, wow. So I'm going to be doing my eyeliner and eyeshadow, and then I'm going to be doing the parts of face concealer like spot concealing, where I just need to fill in gaps and stuff.
They say you basic, I pull up the rollie with diamonds, I pull up the attic and bracelet. I got your picture, she naked. Ice on the cake when I bake it. I'm such a leaves in the rain. So put the dick for the brain. So put your bitch for your main. So put
I just wanted something soft, so I just used one of my bronzers to make an eyeshadow look. I literally just put it on my eyelids. That's one. Yeah, and underneath my eye area because I like it to look like all one shade. So yeah, that's it for spot concealing because I can't see the other spots. Okay, so I don't know how many things we have left. We have 1, 2, 3. That's it, 3 things left. So I guess we're gonna decide the order of the 3 now and finish off this makeup look. 10, I don't think we've done 10. 10 is blush, so we're gonna do blush. 4, I don't think we've done a 4. Okay, so it goes blush, concealer, and then we're looking for 12. Oh wait, that is the last one. Okay, we're doing blush, concealer, and then highlight. So as always, all products will be linked down below. I'm gonna get into it. I'm excited. So, and I'll tell you what section of makeup I'm doing as I do it. So everyone, this is the finished and final look. I like it. Let me hold this. Yeah, but this is a cute little vibe. This was the best that I could do with the makeup steps that I was given, but I hope you guys enjoy. Without the studio light, let me turn off the studio light, let's see. Oh, it's kind of dark. But this still eats. I'm amazed, I'm shocked, I'm happy, and this gets a 10 out of 10 for me. And I might try this again, just under my own terms. If you enjoyed this video and you enjoyed this makeup routine and you are going to try this out, try these steps out, maybe this whole routine is what you were missing to create the perfect face, perfect base, I don't know. Y'all try it out and let me know. Thank you for watching this video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. Please make sure you like this video. Please make sure you comment down below whether this was a success or whether this was a fail, and please make sure you turn your post notifications on so that you are notified whenever I post a new video. That is me logging off, signing out, wishing you happiness, and I will see you in my video next time. And it ain't no need to cry. I think about them now. I'm gonna be my own best friend.